Hello there! In this video, I will guide you on how to change the visibility of your Kahoot. Start by going to the library and selecting the Kahoot you want to edit. Then, click on the icon next to your username to access the visibility option. You can also change the visibility through the Kahoot Creator. To do this, navigate to the settings located at the top of the Kahoot Creator. In the Visibility section, you can change the visibility of this game. After making your adjustments, click Done and save the game by selecting Save on the top right corner. Please note that the visibility options vary depending on your account type and subscription. For more information, you can refer to the article linked under this video. Thank you for watching. Remember to leave a comment, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Enjoy Kahooting!